it's here, the Sonya's Diva Bag. I am so excited. Last month, they sent some really fun stuff in my bag, so I wonder what's going to be in this month's bag. If you want to find out, keep watching. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have for you another Diva by Sonya bag. So excited. Guys, of all the makeup subscription services that I've tried so far, this one is hands down my favorite. I love this one. It's only $12 a month. You get some really awesome products and things that I've never heard of and probably would have never tried had I not got this subscription service. So I'm really excited about this bag. If you guys didn't catch my first video where I went over the Diva Bag by Sonya, make sure you check that out because it goes over their website and all the various different products that they have to offer. So make sure that you check that out. I'm not going to do that in this video because I already did that. So without further ado, let's just jump into what I got in this bag. Okay guys, so the first product that they stuck in this bag is this. It's a headband. He's so cute. Look at the colors on it, guys, though. It's super cute. It's a nice little headband. I normally don't wear headbands. I don't even know if this one will fit me. Oh, look at this. Oh, so cute. It's actually kind of cute, guys. I think I might just go ahead and leave it on for the rest of the video. That's really cute. Yes. Okay, we're off to a good start. Let's see what else is in the bag. Okay, guys, so the next thing that they stuck in my beautiful pink bag is this. What is it? So this is a hard candy contouring face trio. I gotta say, guys, I have not mastered the art of contouring. I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I try to contour my nose because I know that it needs it, but like, I have no idea what I'm doing. Maybe I need to get a lesson or something from somebody that knows what they're doing. But I'm going to go ahead and pop this open because if I don't use this, I will just go ahead and give it to my niece. Look at that. There's the colors. This is kind of cool. Ooh, should I swatch it? Does it matter? Like, do you guys even see anything when I do these types of things? I don't know. Well, there you go. There's the 3 swatches. I guess I would just, do some stuff to my face with this. Not sure what, not sure how to use it, but you know what? I'm really glad to have it. Let's see what else is in here. Hey there, Amber here. Sorry to pop into the video, but I just wanted to pop in and say if you're enjoying this video, I have so many more like it and many more to come. So make sure you're subscribed, click that notification bell so you know every time I upload a video and you won't miss any of the super fun stuff I have going on here. Let's jump back into this video. Okay guys, so the next thing they stuck in this bag was this. So cute. Can you guys see these? They're so cute. Little soaps. So this is a Tom's of Maine creamy coconut with virgin coconut oil, gentle on the skin, triple milled soap. Exciting. So there's no artificial fragrance. What's no parabens? Can somebody tell me what that means? I have no idea what parabens are. And there's no animal testing. Know what that means? Awesome! These are really cute. So, I don't normally use bar soaps, but, I love coconut smelling stuff. Oh, I love coconut. So we're going to go ahead and give this a smell and see what we got here because, that's part of unboxing stuff. Oh my gosh, this smells so good! Oh, wow. I love this. Wow! I just might have to switch to bar soap until these ones are gone. And then I just might buy more. I don't know. That's exciting. Let's see what else is in this box. Okay, guys, I called it a box in that last part. It's a bag. It's a beautiful pink bag. Nonetheless, the next item they put in my beautiful pink bag was this. Yes! Okay, guys, this is what I call an eyelash curler. It's purple. And it's got gemstones on it. This thing is screaming amber all over the place. You guys know how I love purple. Yes! You know what? I actually needed a new one of these, which is so funny. I think Sonya just reads people's minds or something. Pretty awesome. But look at this, guys. Look at can you see? Oh my gosh, it has these beautiful stones on it. Oh, this is going to be the fanciest eyelash curler that I've ever had. But I do use these quite often, guys. Every single time I do my makeup, I use an eyelash curler. I know a lot of people don't, but I am a huge fan. So this is another great thing that they put in my bag. How much better can this bag get? Let's see. Okay, guys, so the next thing that I got in this bag was this little guy. What a fun color, right? So this is a Yes Glitters Cosmetic eyeshadow. So let's pop this guy open. Let's see here what we got going on. I can't pop it open, so you guys will never get to see it. Just kidding. Here we go. Woo! It's very small. But, you know, whatever. Again, $12 a month. You're not going to get full size everything, but this is really cool. So let's just do a little, yay, I love this color. Oh, it's a nice color, right guys? Yes. Yes. Yes, glitters. I will definitely use this. I like this color. I think it looks good on my skin complexion here. So, yay! Sonya just kills it, man. So with this one, they did put in a little card for, I guess this is Krista Rice makeup. So it tells you where you can get it at, and it has this nice, look at her cards, guys. Her cards are freaking awesome. Hello. I wish I could do my eyes like that. Can you guys see that? Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, so yeah, you know what? I'm digging this eyeshadow. After I fully try it, I might just jump over to her little site here and get myself a full palette. We'll see. It all depends on how much they cost. I have no idea. If I find that out, I'm sure I'm popping it up for you guys. So let's jump into the next thing that is in this bag. Okay, guys. So the next thing they stuck in this bag was this. Hello? Hello, blue. So this is a Katy Perry CoverGirl lipstick in the color Beautiful Kitty. I gotta say, guys, I've never used a blue lipstick, like ever. So should I try it? You guys know I'm gonna try it. Okay, so let me find something. Look, I happen to have something right here. So let's take off what I have. Ba-dum-bum. Gorgeous. And that's the only kind of lipstick you will, or not lipstick, that's the only kind of makeup you will see me without. Okay. Wow. That's blue. It said it was blue, but guys, it's really blue. Okay, so let's just put it on. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I do the old school. Wow. Well, it's blue. Do I think I would ever be this bold to wear this? Probably not. Probably not. Unless it's Halloween or something. Hey guys, just popping into the video to remind you guys that I'm on my race to 5,000 subscribers by the end of the month. So if you're participating in my contest, the rules are in the description box below. But all you need to do for this video is comment below. Would you wear this blue lipstick? That's all you got to do. Just put a comment below whether or not you like and would wear this blue lipstick, and that will put you as a contender for my grand prize. But you know what I'm going to try to do? Funny enough, I'm going to go ahead and try to blend this with some of my other lipsticks to see if maybe I might be able to utilize it in some way. But I love the adventurous kind of thing that she put in the bag this month, so I'm still a huge fan, Sonya. Your bag is awesome. I absolutely love it, even though this blue probably looks absolutely crazy on me. But yeah, let's see what else is in this bag. Okay, guys, so the last thing that they stuck in this beautiful pink bag was this. Yay! You guys know how I love she has this personal touch of sticking some candy into your bag. I just think it is so cute and fun. I absolutely love it. So guys, another awesome bag from Diva Bag by Sonya. If you guys haven't jumped over to her site yet to get her bag, it's only $12 a month. I love this bag. This honestly is probably hands down my favorite makeup subscription bag to date. There are a few other ones that I haven't tried yet, but this one is my favorite. I love how adventurous she is with the choices that she puts into your bag. Will I wear this blue lipstick in public? No, probably not. I really don't think they would like me to wear it to work. I'm an executive assistant for a bank. So I'm pretty sure that my boss would be like, yeah, we just can't do the blue lipstick, Amber. But, maybe I should try it out and see what they say. I don't know. So even though she put this really crazy blue lipstick in my bag this month, I absolutely loved it. Will I wear this out? Most likely not. But everything else was a huge hit. Guys, this box is $12 a month, and it's not a box, it's a bag, but the bag is $12 a month. So if you haven't jumped over to her site yet to grab it, I suggest that you guys do that. I hope that you found this helpful or useful in some way. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, like, share, do all those things to help other people find this channel. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! And it says, "Hey Diva, as we celebrate red, white, and blue this month, we also celebrate diversity. We proudly support women." That's not what it says. But don't worry, for those who are a little more subtle, tune in to our Facebook Live on Wednesday nights at 8 p.m. I'm not going to go over this. Okay, guys, so what? Hello? Yes, guys. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I might leave it in for the rest of the thing. Yes. I kind of like it, guys. Okay. So these are Tom's of Maine creamy coconut with virgin coconut oil. Ba-ba-da-ba. Try it again. Okay, guys, so the next thing they stuck in this bag was this. So cute. Can you guys see these? They're so cute. So, try it again. Okay, guys, so the last thing that they stuck in this beautiful pink bag were these. Yay! I love how she sticks makeup. I have hair stuck in between my finger. Awesome. Do it again.